Good morning, students. Okay, yesterday class sir is completed determinant chapter. Now we start the new chapters, that is relation and functions. You already studied in first year relations and functions. That extended portion is there in second year, relation and function. Okay, so first of all, in annual examinations the total marks will become 11 marks. Okay, in that 1 marks question they will ask one, 2 marks question they will ask one, 3 marks question they will ask one, 5 marks question they will ask one. Okay, very important chapter. Okay, be careful. It is easy chapter but little bit confusion. Okay, so now we start the first year related concept, that is Cartesian product. You already studied in first year, so just you have to revise once again. Cartesian product. So we know that Cartesian product means given two non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product P cross Q is the set of all ordered pairs of elements from P and Q. The general form is P cross Q is equal to P comma Q such that P belongs to P, Q belongs to Q. So very simple, Cartesian product means if they given two sets, just you have to pair the elements. So first element is related to here first element, and first element is related to second element. Similarly, second element is related to first element, second element is related to second element. So that is called Cartesian product, and it is always denoted by symbol cross. If they given A and B, you can take A cross B. If they given P and Q, you can take that one P cross Q. If they given only A, you can take that one A cross A. Okay. So for example, if A is equal to set of A comma B, B is equal to set of 1 comma 2, then A cross B is equal to set of A comma 1, A comma 2, B comma 1, B comma 2. That is called what? Cartesian product. So once again I will repeat that. Cartesian product means given two non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product P cross Q is the set of all ordered pairs. This is very important. Set of all ordered pairs of elements from P and Q. The general form is P cross Q is equal to P comma Q such that P belongs to P, Q belongs to Q. Okay, now we discuss some related problems. So first one, if P is equal to set of A comma B comma C, Q is equal to set of R, form the sets of P cross Q and Q cross P. So very simple. So first you have to write given. So what is the given? P value here A comma B comma C, and Q is equal to what? Set of R. Now you can find first P cross Q. Okay, now you can find P cross Q. So what is the given here? P set A B C cross Q set is set of R. Now as usual Cartesian product, you can take first element here only given one element, so take that one only E comma R. Similarly next second one B comma R, next C comma R. Okay. So once again I will repeat. So here P is given set of A comma B comma C cross Q is given set of R. So as usual method A comma R, B comma R, C comma R. Similarly you can find out next Q cross P. Here what is the given Q? Set of R cross P is set of A comma B comma C. Now you can find out as usual method R comma A, R comma B, R comma C. This is the Cartesian product of P cross Q and Q cross P. Okay, now we second problem. Here what is the given? If G is equal to set of 7 comma 8 and H is equal to set of 5 4 2, then you have to find G cross H and H cross G. As usual, first you have to write given value. First G is equal to what? 7 comma 8 and H is equal to what? 5 4 2. Then you have to find out first G cross H. So what is the given here? G set 7 comma 8, H set is 5 4 2. Now as usual, Cartesian product, first element is related to here first element, that is 7 comma 5. First element is related to second element 7 comma 4. First element is related to third element, that is 7 comma 2. Similarly, second element is related to first element 8 comma 5. Second element is related to second element 8 comma 4. Second element is related to third element, that is 8 comma 2. Okay, so we get the answer G cross H is equal to 7 comma 5, 7 comma 4, 7 comma 2, 8 comma 5, 8 comma 4, 8 comma 2. Similarly, you can find out H cross G. H cross G, here what is the given? H set 5 4 2 cross G set is 7 comma 8. Now you can find out as usual Cartesian product, first element is related to first element 5 comma 7. Similarly, first element is related to second element 5 comma 8. Next, second element is related to first element 4 comma 7. Second element is related to second element 4 comma 8. Next, third element is related to first element 2 comma 7. Third element is related to second element 2 comma 8. Okay, so we get the answer H cross G is equal to 5 comma 7, 5 comma 8, 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8, 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8. We get the answer G cross H and H cross G. Okay, so next another one problem, third one. Here what is they given? If A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 and B is equal to set of 3 comma 4, then find A cross B and B cross A. So first you have to write given value. So A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 and B is equal to set of 3 comma 4. Then you can find out A cross B. So A is given 1 comma 2 cross B is given 3 comma 4. A is given 1 comma 2, B is given 3 comma 4. As usual method, you can apply a Cartesian product. So here first element is given 1, here first element is given 3. So you can take this order pair 1 comma 3. Next, first element and take second element, that is 1 comma 4. Similarly, you can take second element. Here second element is given 2. Here first element is 3. Next, similarly you can take second element here, second element here. We get 2 comma 4. So we get the A cross B is equal to 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Right? So similarly you can find out B cross A. So here B set is given 3 comma 4 and A set given 1 comma 2. Now you can find out B cross A by using Cartesian product. Here first element is 3, here first element is 1. So we get 3 comma 1. Here first element is 3, second element is 2, that is 3 comma 2. Here second element is 4, first element is 1. Similarly last one 4 comma 2. So we get the B cross A is equal to 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2. This is the finding the method of Cartesian product. Okay, so next fourth problem. So a little bit different problem is there. Here they given only one set and you can find out A cross A. Okay, so first given value A is equal to what? Set of 1 comma 2. Next you can find out A cross A. Here A set is 1 comma 2 cross. Similarly again A set is 1 comma 2. Now as usual method you can find out Cartesian product. First element is related to first element, that is 1 comma 1. First element is related to second element, that is 1 comma 2. Similarly second element is related to first element, that is 2 comma 1. Similarly second element is related to second element, that is 2 comma 2. So we get the A cross A is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. So we get the solution. Okay, next problem. So here what is the given? If A is equal to set of 1 comma 2, then you can find A cross A cross A. Okay, here you can find A cross A cross A. Here they given 3 cross. So first you have to take given value. So A is equal to set of 1 comma 2. So before finding A cross A cross A, first you have to find out A cross A. Before finding A cross A cross A, first you have to find out A cross A. So A value is given 1 comma 2 cross. Again A value is taken 1 comma 2. Now you can find out A cross A. So here first element is 1 is given. Here first element is 1 is given. So you can find out 1 comma 1. Similarly first element second element we get 1 comma 2. Similarly here you can take 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. So you can find out A cross A. Now you can take A cross A is equal to, so first you have to take these two cross element. A cross A is given already 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Cross A means 1 comma 2. Once again I will explain. Here A cross A already here you can find A. So take that one value cross A value. So now you can find out Cartesian product. This pair is considered as one element. This 1 comma 1 pair is considered as one element. Here first element is what? 1. So first element cross first element we get 1 comma 1 comma 1. Similarly first element is related to second element, that is 1 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so as usual method second element is related to first element, that is 1 comma 2 comma 1. Second element is related to second element, that is 1 comma 2 comma 2. Okay, so next third element is related to first element, that is 2 comma 1 comma 1. Third element is related to second element, that is 2 comma 1 comma 2. So another one is the last element 2 comma 2. Here 1 comma 2 is there, we get 2 comma 2 comma 1, another one 2 comma 2 comma 2. So we get the A cross A is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 comma 2, 2 comma 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 comma 2. So we get the solution A cross A. Okay, so another an example we have to same problem previous year. So here what is the given? If A is equal to set of minus 1 comma 1, then you can find A cross A. Okay, first you have to write given value. So A is equal to what is the given? Minus 1 comma 1. So next as usual method, first you have to find out A cross A. First you have to find out A cross A. Here A value is minus 1 comma 1 cross another A value is same similarly minus 1 comma 1. So as usual method, by using Cartesian product, first element is related to first element, that is minus 1 comma minus 1. First element related to second element, that is minus 1 comma 1. So next, similarly second element related to first element, that is 1 comma minus 1. Second element is related to second element, that is 1 comma 1. So we get the A cross A is equal to what? Minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1. So next you can find out A cross A is equal to. So we know that first you already find it A cross A, right? First that one minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1. Okay, cross as it is. A means minus 1 comma 1. So now you can find out by using Cartesian product, this minus 1 comma 1 is considered as one element, that is first element, this one is second element, this one is third element, this one is fourth element. Here this is first element, second element. So by using Cartesian product, first element is related to first element, that is minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay. Next, first element related to second element, minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Next, second element is related to first element, minus 1 comma minus 1. Next, second element related to second element, minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. Next, third element is related to first element, 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Next, third element is related to second element, 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. So last one is there, 1 comma 1. So as usual method we get 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1 comma 1. So we get the solution A cross A is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1 minus 1. Here 1 comma minus 1 1. Here 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Last one 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay. Okay. So we discuss some other problems. Here what is they given? Let A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is equal to set of 3 comma 4, and C is equal to set of 4 comma 5 comma 6. Then you can find A cross of B intersection C, A cross of B union C, A cross B intersection of A cross C, A cross B union of A cross C. So you have to solve one by one. First one, take given value. What is the given value? A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is equal to set of 3 comma 4, and C is equal to set of 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, so now you can find out A bit value. Here what is the given? A cross of B intersection C. A value. What is the given A value? 1, 2, 3 cross B intersection C. B intersection C. We know that B intersection means in B set and C set you can take common value. Intersection means in these two sets you have to take common value. Here 3, 4 is there, here 4, 5, 6 there. In these two sets common value is 4 is there. So here it will come B intersection C is equal to what? Set of 4. Now as usual method, Cartesian product. Here first element is 1, second element is 2, third element is 3. Here only one element is there, that is 4. So as usual method, Cartesian product. First element is related to first element, 1 comma 4, next 2 comma 4, next 3 comma 4. So we get the answer A cross of B intersection C. Okay. Similarly, you can find out second one, A cross of B union C. So A set is given 1, 2, 3 cross B union C. We know that union means in given two sets, how many elements is there that you can take here only. Here B set is given 3, 4, C set is given 4, 5, 6. So we get 3, 4, 5, 6. B union C. Now as usual method, here first element is 1, second element is 2, third element is 3. Here first element is 3, second element is 4, third element is 5, fourth element is 6. So as usual method, first element is related to first element 1, 3. Next first element is related to second element 1, 4. Next first element related to third element 1, 5. Next first element related to fourth element, that is 1, 6. Similarly, you can solve second element and third element. We get 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So we get the solution of A cross of B union C. Okay. Next you can find out third one, A cross B intersection A cross C. So first you have to find out A cross B. What is the given? A set is set of 1, 2, 3 cross B set is set of 3, 4. So as usual method, by using Cartesian product, you can find out A cross B. So here first element is given 1, here first element is given 3. We get 1, 3. First element and second element we get 1, 4. Similarly, second element, first element 2, 3. Next 2, 4. Next third element and first element we get 3, 3, 3, 4. So this is the A cross B. Similarly, you can find here another one is there, A cross C. So A cross C is equal to A set is 1, 2, 3 cross C set is 4, 5, 6. You can find out by using Cartesian product. We get 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So you can find the value of A cross B and A cross C. Now you can find out these two intersection, that is A cross B intersection A cross C. So means you already find the value A cross B and A cross C. In these two, those who are common values there you can take. See here, which one is common is there? 1, 4, 1, 4. Next 2, 4, 2, 4. Next 3, 4, 3, 4 common value is there. So we get 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. So we get the solution A cross B intersection of A cross C is equal to 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So we solved A, B, C problem. Next you have to find out D. So as usual method, first you have to find out A cross B, next A cross C. So take A cross B first. What is the given? A set 1, 2, 3 cross B set is 3, 4. By using Cartesian product, first element is related to first element. So we get 1, 3. Here first element related to second element 1, 4. Next, similarly take second element related to these two elements, that is 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Similarly third element is related to these two elements, that is 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4. Okay, you find the value of A cross B. So similarly you can find out A cross C. Here what is the given A value? 1, 2, 3 set cross C value is 4, 5, 6. By using Cartesian product you can find out A cross C. Here first element is 1 is there, here first element is 4, second element is 5, third element is 6. So first element is related to these all three elements, that is 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Similarly second element is related to all these elements, that is 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Similarly third element is related to all these three elements, that is 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Okay, now you find it A cross B and A cross C. Next you have to find out these two unions, that is A cross B union A cross C. So equal to, already find it A cross B and A cross C. Union means you know that in these given two sets how many elements is given, you can write in one set. That is here what is the get value? 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, next 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, next 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, next 2 comma 3, next we get 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. So we get the A cross B union A cross C. Okay, so another one problem. Here what is the given? A value is equal to set of 1 comma 2, B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, C is equal to set of 5 comma 6. Here you can verify that A cross of B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So first you have to find out the value of LHS side. What is the given LHS value here? A cross of B intersection C. A cross of B intersection C. Here A set is given set of 1 comma 2 cross. We know that here you can write direct the value of B intersection C. Here B value is given 1, 2, 3, 4. C value is given 5 comma 6. Intersection means in these two common element you can take. What is there here common element? There is no common element in these two. So we get the as usual null set. Okay, when you get the null set, the Cartesian product will be when you get the null set, the Cartesian product is also null set. Okay. Okay, once again I will repeat. A intersection of B intersection, A cross of B intersection C. So here we get the B intersection C value is null set. By when finding the Cartesian product of with null set, so if there is a null set, again we get the answer null set only. So similarly, you can find out the RHS value. Before finding RHS value, you can find out A cross B and A cross C. So A cross B is equal to, so A is given set of 1 comma 2 cross, B is given set of 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can find out as usual 1 comma 1 we get 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. Next 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. So we get the A cross B value. Similarly, you can find out
A cross C. So A value is given set of 1 comma 2, cross C value is given set of 5 comma 6. So A cross, if you find out by using Cartesian product, we get 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Okay. Now you can find RHS side value. What is they given? RHS is equal to A cross B intersection of A cross C. So A cross B is set of 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 1,
2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. What is this? A cross B.
intersection. A cross is we get 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6.
Okay. Now you can find out in these two sets intersection value. Is there any common value here? No, there is no common value. So we get again here null set only. Okay. Now check whether is it LHS and RHS, is it both are answer same? Yes, here LHS we get null set, RHS also null set. Therefore we get LHS is equal to RHS, that is A cross of B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Verify the solution. Okay, so today we discuss about only Cartesian product and their problems. So relation function still here we are in first year syllabus only. Now tomorrow class is also first year syllabus, that is relations. Afterwards we discuss second year syllabus, that is types of relation will come. So that's why. So today we completed Cartesian product. Next concept will be discussed on tomorrow class. Okay, thank you.